Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how to unsend mail in Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly click on compose and send a new email. So let me go ahead and type it to an email address as this one, and then I'm going to give the subject as how to send mail in mail, how to unsend mail in Gmail, and just put the same thing in the body of the email. Now, once I go ahead, guys, and click on send, what's going to happen? Immediately you have the option that says undo. So if I click on undo, that's how I easily go ahead and unsend this email very quickly in Gmail. So I want to go ahead and show you as well how you can find the settings in Gmail. So in case you want to have this stay a little bit longer, and then for Gmail, you can easily, let's say, customize the time it takes before it goes away, that you cannot unsend the email anymore. So to send the email, to unsend the email, it's very easy. Once you click on send, you'll have the option to quickly undo it. You can simply undo and that email will not send. But to change the settings for this, you want to go to the gear in the upper right hand side and go to all settings. Now here you will see under the general, you'll have the section that says undo send. And here you can see it's currently set to 5 seconds. So here it shows that send cancellation period is 5 seconds. Now if you want that longer, you can click the drop down box and you can have it up to 30 seconds. So I'll leave mine, for example, it's 30 seconds, right? Scroll down all the way to the bottom, click on save changes. And if I go back into my email here, guys, and try to do the same, compose an email, let's put like that. I believe I have it in draft as well. So let's go to my draft, open up that email again, and simply click on send. I don't have to worry too much. I can wait up to 30 seconds before this goes away. And then, I have a few seconds to spare. Whenever I'm ready, I can go ahead and undo it. And that's it. So you save yourself a little from hurry. You have 30-second gap to undo it, but that's it. That's how you go ahead and undo mail in Gmail. Guys, I hope you found value within this video, and if you do, really appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and of course hit that subscribe button if you're still in the channel for the first time. Really appreciate that. It helps the channel to grow, and of course you'll never miss out when I release future video, helpful video just like this one. Thank you guys, and see you next time.